This morning we are graced with our queen of creativity who's going to show us how you can take some scrap wood around your house and make this.
That's right. Everything can be a project. Garlands are often popular home decorations. You know, during the holiday season, they're becoming more of a year-round thing.
Right.
This is a trend I'm seeing in all kinds of design catalogs. Today, we're going to show you how to make your own wooden garland for some year-round decor. Joining us live to walk us through this fun DIY project is our DIY queen, Shannon Quimby. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies. How are you?
Good, good.
Doing great.
Good to see you. So I'm not kidding when I say I have seen these garlands. They're everywhere. It's like they're like draped over some books or like in a bowl on a coffee table. It's like the it thing right now in just, you know, home flourishes.
Yeah, home flourishes. You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
And this idea actually kind of sprouted. I actually was at a retail outlet store, and I saw this big one, right? This big garland that was like on steroids, and they wanted over $100 for it. And, right? Because like you said, Emily, it's very trendy right now. It's all over the place. And I thought, well, with all these wood DIYs, I got, like you said, all this leftover wood, so why not make one?
Right?
Easy.
Yeah, you're like, I could make this for free with the stuff I have at home right now.
Just left over.
Yeah, and so can you. It's so easy. So the first thing you want to do is obviously find leftover wood, which there's plenty of. You can ask your friends. If you've got a lot of projects left over, you can go down to Parr Lumber, my favorite, and knock them up for that. And then you just cut them up into small pieces. I would say anywhere between 1 inch to 3 inches. I got a whole bunch of blocks here. Really easy. And it doesn't matter what type of wood. That's also great about this project. You don't have to have a certain piece of type of wood at all. Whatever you have left
Mix
over.
and match wood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you have your drill and your drill bit, and you're gonna, in the center, you're gonna drill a hole through each block. Okay.
Easy enough.
Yeah. Easy enough. Yeah. And then if the wood's a little rough, you just want to take a piece of sandpaper and sand the edges, sand the hole and stuff, and you're all good to go.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I still have my blocks from as a child.
I was going to say you could just use toys.
Yeah, right, Emma? I mean, it's so fun. Yeah, right? But we're not. We're going to make it, we're going to adult this.
Okay.
Yes. No stealing from the kids.
Yeah. Right. So then we're done. And now you can use any color you want. I use this nice paint and primer, so you don't have to paint and prime or primer. Yeah. And so you just go outside, lay them all out, and just spray paint them all one color. The garland that I did, and I've got it right here, I showed, this one is about 3 feet long.
Okay.
So you want to determine, right, how many pieces of wood that you're going to use. Now you can do 3, you can do 4. Like Emily, like you said, this can be a year-round decoration. You can do it on the fireplace, go longer, right?
Sure.
There's imagination, there's no cap to it. So
well, and I like that I noticed you drilled some of the blocks like lengthwise and widthwise, you know, so that they're all similar in size, but they're not all stacked up the same on the garland.
Right.
Yeah.
yeah, that's the fun with leftovers and doing it yourself. You never kind of know where you're going with it,
Yeah.
you know, until you get it done. Yeah. This is a fun product. It's called leather lace, and you can get it at any craft store, or you can order it online, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. But I like to use this because it is durable, because the wood is slightly heavy when you get done
Leather
with it.
lace.
Okay.
I think I heard a Stevie Nicks song about that
Leather lace.
once.
Yeah.
And you want to cut, you know, a little bit longer than the 3 feet. You want to go about 4 feet long,
Okay.
because you want to have a little excess. And you're going to make a tassel on one end. All you do is you cut some smaller strands about 1 foot long, fold them in half, and at one end you're just going to basically tie it around.
Brilliant.
And knot it. Yeah, and that makes the tassel.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, and then you just tie it up. So smart. Look at
So
you.
easy.
You thought of everything, Shannon.
Now this, well, thank you. About a year ago, I showed this fun little technique because we're going to be threading all of these blocks.
Oh, that's right. You like make a little shoelace out of it.
And a little aglet.
Yes, exactly.
Is that what it's called?
So,
An aglet?
The end of the shoelace.
Oh, fun fact. Now we know. An
Called an
aglet. I had no
aglet.
idea.
wow, geez, how do you remember stuff like that?
Big brain time with Emma.
So you just take some painter's tape and you wrap it around the end, because that prevents, because right, I mentioned about, like a year ago, that when you thread, it gets all jammed up. So it's really
Right.
through.
Oh, easy.
Yeah, it is easy. Now, notice that as I'm doing this, notice that they're all stacked really tight like this. Yeah, so if you want your garland to move, you're going to have to leave some space
Right.
between.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
More slinky.
Right. Yeah, like a slinky. Yeah. So, so you got to have some space to move it, because if you do this and you tie it off, you just basically
Just have a
just a stick, right?
just a stick.
This is
lumpy
such
stick.
No, this is such a cool idea, because Shannon, just like you, I would have gone to whatever, you know, probably rhymes with schmoem schmoods, and I would have seen this in the store and thought, I'm not spending $50 on this thing. This is blocks of wood, and you can make it yourself. So I love this idea. That's so cool.
You can. It's great with the kids, right? It's a really fun family project. And of course, if you don't want to make one and you want one for free, you can go on Parr Lumber's Instagram. I'm giving these away.
Oh, there you go. From
Perfect.
Shannon herself. Thank you so much, as always. Awesome project ideas. Fun little weekend craft
Thank you,
here.
Shannon.
Yeah, we'll see you again soon. Okay, so don't
All right,
forget, we've got the instructions, we've got the list of materials from Shannon for this project posted on coin.com. You can also check out Parr Lumber. Go to their Facebook page for a chance to win one that Shannon made.
To win one yourself. No more schmoem schmuds.